Hello, in today's video I will try to explain you what is secure hash algorithm 256 and how to hash your string in Android project. So I created empty activity Android project. I have activity main which has some simple login screen with input for password, login button. And what I do is when user clicks login button, I use the string in input password, hash it to SHA-256 and show it what is the hashed password in some result text view. So let's first say what is secure hash algorithm. It is a cryptographic hash function and it is widely used in various security applications and digital signatures. So it takes an input or some message and produces a fixed size string of characters which appears random. So even a small change in some input will result in a significantly different output, making it useful for data integrity verification and ensuring that the data hasn't been tampered with. So it is designed to be a one-way function. That means that you can't reverse engineer the original input from the hash output. It should be also extremely difficult to find two different inputs that will produce the same hash output. So one of the primary uses is to verify the data integrity by generating a hash of the original data and comparing it with a later hash of the same data. You can determine if the data has been altered or corrupted. So I personally use it a lot in applications where I need to hash password and send it to REST API. So, and I think that is the most used scenario. But it is also used in many blockchain protocols, including Bitcoin, such as creating and verifying blocks. Okay, it is important to know that while SHA-256 is widely used and considered secure for many applications, the field of cryptography is constantly evolving, and algorithms that were once considered secure become vulnerable over time. So it's essential to stay updated on the latest security recommendations and best practices in order to ensure the continued security of your systems and your data. So this is the function I use. It is an extension function on string. So basically I call this method on some string, some password user typed in, and it returns a string which is a hash from that input value. This is the method. You can copy paste it, or you can stop this video and rewrite it from the beginning if you want. And I will show some simple example on my emulator. So you can enter some password, let's say 1234, and this is the hash from this password which we can store in some database. If we add only one letter, the hash will be significantly different from the first example. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.